Hey, Excel champs! Are your spreadsheets full of messy, massive data? Well, the Data tab is here to help. It's your command center for sorting, filtering, transforming, and connecting data like a pro. Let's break down each section of this tab so you never fear raw data again. Section 1. Get and transform data. This is the Power Query zone, Excel's data import and transformation tool. Get data. Pull in data from Excel, web, databases, SharePoint, and more. You can even connect to APIs. Recent sources. Quickly reopen recent connections. Launch Power Query Editor. This is where the magic happens. Clean, transform, combine datasets, all without formulas. Pro tip: Power Query is perfect for automating repetitive data cleaning tasks. Section 2. Connections Group. Refresh all. Instantly updates all linked tables, pivot tables, and queries. Queries and connections. See a side panel of all live queries, very helpful for managing large data models. Properties. Change how and when a connection refreshes, like on opening the file. Section 3. Sort and filter group. The basics, but still vital. Sort A to Z, Z to A, alphabetically sort data. Sort opens the full sort dialog box, sort by color, custom lists, or multiple levels. Filter add drop-downs to columns for easy filtering. Clear remove all filters at once. Reapply rerun filters if data has changed. Pro tip: combine filters and conditional formatting for powerful visual filtering. Section 4. Data Tools Group. This section has some of the most powerful hidden gems in Excel. Text to columns. Split one column into multiple columns. Perfect for separating first-last names, dates, or CSV strings. Flash fill, one of my favorites. Start typing a pattern, and Excel fills the rest for you. Names, emails, formats, you name it. Remove duplicates. Clean your data fast. Choose which columns to check and delete repeats. Data validation. Add drop-downs or rules to control what can be entered. Perfect for building forms or clean input sheets. Consolidate. Merge data from multiple ranges into a summary table. What if analysis. Includes goal seek, scenario manager, and data table. Plan and model different outcomes without writing new formulas. Section 5. Forecast Group Forecast Sheet. Automatically generate trend lines and predictions based on historical data. Data types, linked. Convert stock names or geography into smart data types connected to the internet. Example: Tesla turns into a stock ticker with real-time info. Section 6. Outline group used for grouping rows or columns and creating expandable, collapsible sections. Group, ungroup. Perfect for organizing large datasets or reports. Subtotal automatically adds subtotals when sorted by a category. Great for monthly or category reports. So that's the Data tab, a goldmine for any analyst, manager, or Excel wizard. From importing raw files to building models, cleaning junk to forecasting trends. This one tab can elevate your spreadsheet game tenfold. In the next video, we'll explore the Review tab, where we check spelling, protect sheets, and collaborate on workbooks.